Why was she crying?
She got bad news.
How was the food at the restaurant?
It was delicious.
What were you reading last night?
I was reading a novel.
Where was he born?
He was born in America.
Why were they whispering?
They didn't want to disturb others.
How was the party last night?
It was fun.
What were they watching on TV?
They were watching a movie.
Why was the baby crying?
It was hungry.
How was your day at work?
It was busy.
What color does this come in?
Only in black and white.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite in the horse, they are beautiful.
When is the store open?
Open 8 a.m. every day.
Are you a fan of classic music?
Yes, I find it very relaxing.
How do you stay healthy?
I drink a lot of water throughout the day.
Are you from here?
No, I'm here for work.
How do you stay fit?
I run every morning before work.
How often do you go shopping?
Twice a month for essentials.
Do you need a cart?
No, just up you items, a basket will do.
What are we having for dinner tonight?
I was thinking of making spaghetti.
How are you today?
I'm feeling a bit sick.
What do you want?
I want to drink a water.
Have you been waiting for a while?
Yeah, I've been here for about 10 minutes.
Where were you yesterday?
I was at home.
Why were you late for school today?
There was traffic.
How was your weekend?
I was great.
What were you doing at this time yesterday?
I was studying.
Where was she born?
She was born in Australia.
Why was he angry?
He failed his test.
How was the movie last night?
It was boring.
What were they taking about?
They were taking about their vacation plans.
Where were you going when I saw you?
I was going to the store.
Why were they laughing?
They heard a funny joke.
How are you feeling yesterday?
I was feeling tired.
What was she wearing to the party?
She was wearing a red dress.
Where was the Kate hiding?
I was hiding under the bed.
Why were you absent yesterday?
I was sick.
Where was the meeting held?
I was held in the conference room.
Why was the train delayed?
There was a signal problem.
How was your trip to the beach?
I was amazing.
What were you think about?
I was thinking about my future.
Where were they going on vacation?
They were going to Hawaii.